So if you guys are studying rational functions, you'll probably encounter the situation where the top degree is bigger than the bottom degree, in which case we say that the asymptote is slant. And in order to find the asymptote, you have to go long division. Now, you got to be careful though, because the numerator, which is going to be the dividend, you have to have all the exponents filled in. For example, that's x cubed, but you have to insert all of the exponents until you count down to the constant, which is in this case 4. Similarly, out here the divisor, which is the denominator, you have to have the same thing, but this already does have all the exponents in their correct order. Now, let's see. I know that I have to write something up here, but you don't necessarily start there. This has 3 pieces, so go 3 pieces deep, and you're going to begin to write the quotient up there. But what exactly goes here? Here is how this works. This piece wants to become this piece. Notice that there is a 1. You have to multiply this by something to turn it into that. What do you multiply this by to turn it into that? You multiply it by 1/2. But there is more, because this is x squared and this is x cubed, so you need 1/2 x. Take the 1/2 x and distribute it to this, this, and that. And you can write it here, here, and here. So if you multiply these 2 items, it should be x cubed. This times this should be 1/2 x squared. And then this times this should be negative 1/2 x. And then what I tell my students is, put parentheses around this, and you're going to subtract. Fill in a 1 there if you want. And when you subtract, of course, these eliminate. That's the whole point of choosing this, so that these would be gone. Now, 0 minus 1/2 is negative 1/2 x squared. What about here? 0 subtract negative. That double negative, if you want to think of it, becomes positive. So it's essentially 0 plus 1/2, which is 1/2 x. Then this falls. Let's play this game yet again. You want this to turn into that. So what do I put up here so that this times this gives that? It should be negative 1/4. And actually it's just negative 1/4 because this times this is going to be that. A different way of knowing what this is to go this divided by this. And that will give you this back. So let's see. Let's distribute this to that. Now let me tell you this. If the overall agenda was to just perform a long division, then I would continue with this process. But I'll tell you what, I'm not going to continue anymore, because I know that if I subtract this and do all that jazz, I am going to get the remainder. But whenever you're trying to find a slant asymptote, the remainder is essentially thrown away. So in your quotient, as soon as you have a constant, this here constitutes your slant asymptote. So just go y equals 1/2 x minus 1/4, because that was the goal. The goal is to find the slant asymptote of this rational function, and it is right here. And as a matter of fact, as soon as I found this, I didn't even have to write this down, because that was going to be thrown away anyways. As soon as you know the constant, stop there, grab that, go y equals that. This is going to be your slant asymptote. If you want, I'll show you a picture where you see this function along with this slant asymptote, this one here, and the picture looks like that. So there you are. And if you have a specific problem that you want me to help you with, just send it my way and I'll gladly help you.